Hi everyone, and welcome to this 2025 tutorial and review of Setmore, a popular free first appointment scheduling platform for service-based businesses. In the next minutes, I will walk you through how to set up services, promote your booking page, manage team calendars, handle payments and reminders, and evaluate whether Setmore fits your needs. Setmore is an appointment scheduler ideal for hairstylists, saloons, coaches, health professionals, and fitness trainers. It's going to let clients self-book 24/7, automatically manages reminders, team schedules, and payments via Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Even under the free tier, it's consistently praised for its ease of use and value. And like I said before, you have different, tiers, and one of them is completely free. You don't even have to pay for anything. However, you're gonna need the pro plan or the team if you have a lot of staff and a lot of team members that you wanna book appointments for. The control panel is actually pretty simple, guys. You only have your calendar, services, customers, payments, integrations, and settings. In the services, you're gonna be able to define your service types with duration and prices. This is the first thing that we are gonna do. So we are gonna add a new service by just clicking on this plus icon here. We're gonna, select service. And now let's say that we wanna call this business strategy session, okay? We can assign a different color to each service. In my case, I'm just gonna keep this blue. And here you can assign also like a description, but that is optional. What's mandatory is actually the duration, which is gonna be 60 minutes. Okay, and now we basically have to assign also the cost, which is going to be 120. Okay, and here you can see the currency, which in my case is going to be euros. Select the location and the category, and provided that you have more team members, you're going to be able to basically assign more people in here. In this case, I only have myself, so I'm just going to click on create. You can also, by the way, upload like a logo to to have like a more visual thing of what you're doing. Okay, but yeah, this is pretty much the service that we added. You can also go to your booking page settings. So let's just go to settings in here and let's select our booking page. Okay. Now, what I'm going to recommend you do is that you go to customize in here and this is going to open this kind of editor. And what I'm going to recommend you do is that you upload, for example, a logo. Okay. I also think you should, for example, select, your different brand colors. You have many of them here. And finally, just select your different business hours. Okay. In my case, it's Monday to Friday from 8 to 5, all right? And just also add your website, your Instagram, and your Facebook. And once you're done, just click on save. Let's look at this from the client side, okay? I'm just gonna click on this link here, which is gonna be basically your booking page, right? From your settings. Okay, so just click in here, and here you can see how it's gonna look for a client. This is actually impressive. So a visitor is gonna have to select the service, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna select this business strategy session service that we created before. And now he's gonna have to select basically a time slot, which is say, for example, this one here. And now you're gonna have to create a profile or continue as a guest. It doesn't matter. And now simply he's gonna have to include, his full name, a phone, email, and comments. And that's gonna be pretty much it. And now you're gonna get an email that is gonna confirm this appointment from your client. All right. How is this client gonna pay? You might wonder. For example, he can pay using Stripe or PayPal. And how are you going to set this up is by going to payments in here and you can just click on connect payments. Now you're going to have different options, but I'm going to recommend to you Stripe or PayPal. These are the most common ones. Cash is better for in person, so I don't actually recommend this. Just, keep it to Stripe or to PayPal. This way, you're going to be able to accept booking page payments, so you get the money directly when the client is going to book the session with you, okay? So just click on PayPal, for example. Now, just click on connect, and this is going to open, and you can log in with your account. Also, keep in mind, guys, that when your client books a session, your calendar is going to be updated instantly, and reminders are scheduled automatically. Okay, so just come to calendar here, and you can see all of the different sessions. Let's say that, for example, a client calls you instead of booking online. Okay, you can also add sessions manually. How are you going to do this? Is by basically going to this plus icon and just clicking on new booking. And now you can just select the service and the time slot, which in my case is going to be this one here. Let's click on create, and you can also add like a video link. Also, make sure to select your customers, okay? In my case, because I don't have any customers yet, I will create them later. Let's actually go to customers here and let's click on add customers. You can also import them from a CSV file or from your Google contacts. This is actually great, but I'm just going to add it manually. And now I can just add this guy here to my basically, session, to my calendar. And here we have our session in the calendar, guys. By the way, you're gonna receive an email every time you upload something to the calendar, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, what I find amazing is that you can connect this calendar, this Setmore calendar, to your Google Calendar. For example, let's click on Connect Calendar here, and you can click on Connect with Google. The only problem with this feature is that this is going to require the Pro plan or the Team plan, okay? So that's going to cost you some money, but it's actually very cheap. Now you can also add, staff members to your team by just going to settings and then clicking on your team, okay? And what I find amazing is that you're going to be able to basically, set the availability for each staff member. We have already seen some integrations in here, with Google Calendar, with PayPal, and so on and so on. But you can do the same with Google Reviews, with Facebook, with Instagram bookings, and with Zoom, okay? And especially this last one is going to enable your team to add Zoom video links to appointments and group sessions, which is great, okay? You can also connect to, Zapier, Analytics, and so on and so on. So, in general, guys, Setmore is a pretty complete product. It offers a free tiers, which supports unlimited appointments and up to 40 users. It has a very clean and elegant interface, fast setup, and client-friendly booking flow. And it has a lot of integrations with calendars, payments, social, and beta platforms. The only cons that I can find is that, you have occasional glitches reported from clients or staff, and you have some, maybe annoying and unnecessary email and SMS reminders, all right? But that's pretty much it. It's a pretty complete tool, and I totally recommend it. Thank you so much, guys.